So in today's video, I'm going to show you a semi-custom home right here in Rock Hill. And you're going to want to stick around to the end because the price point is absolutely amazing. If this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe and bell notification so you can be the first to learn about the market conditions right here in Charlotte. If we haven't met before, my name is Dean Hardy. I'm a local realtor, team lead and host of this channel. And I get calls, text messages and emails every single day from people like you. And I absolutely love it. So if you're thinking about moving to Charlotte, Rock Hill, or any of the surrounding suburbs here in the Metro Charlotte area, go ahead, reach out to me today. I'm going to put my contact information right below in the description. I would love to connect with you, learn a little bit about what you're trying to accomplish and help you and your family make a nice smooth move right here to Charlotte. So this property that I'm going to show you is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath semi-custom home in Rock Hill. Now I get people that reach out to me every day and they're asking questions on the new construction side because Charlotte is growing, booming, and there's a ton of options out there. And if you're navigating just on the web, it can be a little bit daunting, but I do get people that ask me questions like, I don't necessarily need to be in a subdivision, but I would prefer new construction. What options are out there for me? Well, today, this video is gonna be for you because this property sits on just over an acre lot. So if you want that privacy, seclusion, you want to be out there where you're not right on top of your neighbors, you don't necessarily need all the community amenities that an HOA subdivision like a pool and everything has to offer for you. This is the kind of property that might tick some of the boxes for you. And I can't wait to get inside and show you this awesome, incredible property. So one of my favorite features about this property is as soon as you come in through the front door, you come into a small entranceway, but you get these beautiful double doors, a lot of natural light in here. As you can see, there's glass around it. So it's such a really nice little way to come in. You've got that nice modern touch. It does have that custom feel. But this has to be my favorite room, and you will see why in a moment. It is wide open living room, dining area, and kitchen. But what's even better about this room is you've got these tall cathedral ceilings, so much natural light. You've got two windows behind us right over here, and you've got double sliding doors that lead over to the patio, which we'll go ahead and show you here in a bit. But just look at some of the custom finishes on this. You've got the luxury vinyl plank boards, the upgraded ones. So these are pretty much indestructible. So if you have dogs or kids running around, these things are really hard to scratch. It's almost, like I say, indestructible. You've got a gas fireplace. You've got the custom brickwork around it, the shelving. You've got that shiplap over here. You've got this amazing lighting up here with the dual fans. So you've got this wide open, perfect for entertaining. This is an 8-foot table and there is still so much space over here. So you've got so many options that you can do in just layout formats, but just this style that they've done really gives it a good open feel. Now, everybody's favorite room is this kitchen, so no surprise here. So you've got a kitchen island, you've got the quartz countertop, you have got the shiplap island underneath. It does have an overhang. They haven't staged it with any bar stools or anything, but it's pretty simple to do that. You could easily get 3 or 4 over there. And now you've got the modern white cabinetry. You have got the subway tile. You've got the gas oven right over here. All the appliances that you're seeing do come and convey with the property. You have got the modern refrigerator. It does have one of those smart screen touch screens on there. Very nice feel. You've also got right here a nice little area you could do your coffee station or do a little wet bar. All the cabinets are soft close. And then one of my favorite areas is right this little piece over there with a dishwasher. You've got a nice sink, but it does look out to the backyard. So if you're out here making dinner, doing some prep work, you can have the TV on, you can do some entertaining, you can be looking at the backyard. I mean, it's a pretty decent setup here. Now, as you notice in here, all the baseboards, I don't think I mentioned the baseboards, all the baseboards are 8-inch. So you've got that nice custom feel, but even in the walk-in pantry, you've got the custom cabinetry. Really nice touch. It's not that white wire shelving. Now I'm gonna walk back across the house because I'm gonna show you the primary owner suite. Wanted to get to you so you could see this first, but now let's go ahead and get into the primary. So as you're walking back through the house, the primary owner suite is right over here. The 2 other bedrooms are back over there, which we'll get to in a second. So there is a nice separate space, so it's perfect. Some privacy here. You've got a nice linen closet, won't go in there, you can kind of use your imagination. Now check out this primary owner suite. You've got 1, 2 single windows and a double. You've got cathedral ceilings, you've got stunning light fixtures in here. And this is huge. I would say that this is just a queen bed, but if you could go ahead and put a king size bed in here, you've got so much space in here. Again, flooring continues throughout the house. These awesome baseboards are there as well. Now let's go ahead and have a quick look here in the primary owner suite bathroom. Here's where we transition flooring. So from the luxury vinyl plank, we're now in the tile. You've got the dual vanity in there. You've got that awesome bathtub in there. And then you've also got a walk-in shower, which is a really nice feature. The toilet is behind this door. So it's a really, really nice, usable. Again, it's not huge, but everything in here is very well designed to use this space well. So now we're going to come out here again. You kind of see the lay of the land now. We're back to the front door. Now it's nice double doors. We'll go through the living area one more time, through the dining area, and then through the kitchen, and we'll show you the 2 additional bedrooms. Now, there is a second level on this property, so I'm going to show you that here in a second. One pit stop before we get to the other bedrooms. We've got a laundry room here. Now the door in the far corner, we're not going to go down there. It's a garage. It's a 2-car built-in garage. You've got the sink in here. I like these butcher block countertops, white cabinetry in here. Flooring continues throughout, but I'm going to show you one of my favorite pieces about the laundry room. Never thought I'd say that, but you've got this door right here that has another entrance point to the house. This goes straight over on the front porch. Really nice. So if you have some kids coming in here, you could build a mud zone, drop room, so they can come in, kick their shoes off, put their bags here. Great use of space. Here, use your imagination, no washer and dryer, but there are the hookups in here. And right off the kitchen, we're gonna have the first half bathroom. So you can see in here, it's nice because if you are doing entertaining, your guests don't need to go through a bedroom to go ahead and use the restroom. You've got the white cabinetry right there. You've got the quartz countertop and the toilet. Now behind my right shoulder, as you'll see, is the entrance point to the second level, but we're gonna show you the bedrooms first. You got a nice linen closet. Actually, I'll show you this linen closet. Again, you've got these nice custom built-ins, done a really good job. 2 bedrooms are identical in size and they're sandwiched between a Jack and Jill bathroom. It's a full bathroom. So if you're not familiar with Jack and Jill, it just means the 2 rooms are gonna share it. There's gonna be an entranceway. Now this has 2 windows right over here. As you can see, it doesn't have a walk-in closet. These are built-in closets, but they are the length of the door. So once you open these, they all run through the entire length of that back wall. Here's the entrance point to the second full bathroom. But before we get there, I'm gonna just go ahead and walk through to the other bedroom. It's identical in size, but it's laid out different. Instead of the 2 windows you have over here, you've got a double window there. There's the walk-in closets. Again, it's the length of that wall up until around there. And here is the entranceway to the bathroom. So if you've got 2 children, perfect for sharing. Why would I say that? Because there's actually 2 vanities in there, so they won't be arguing over the vanities. You've got a transition in flooring. Again, you've got the tile, the same one that's in the primary owner suite. You do have a tiled shower and a toilet as well. So really, really nice. So perfect, again, if you have kids. All right, so let's go ahead and check out that second level. So there is no furniture up in the second room, which is a bonus room. So my voice might be a little bit echoey, but you can just hopefully get past that. You've got a second AC unit here. It's fairly standard as far as a bonus room goes. You've got the ceilings that kind of come in towards the middle. It takes about, maybe 6 feet around here, but there's plenty of space that you could use if you wanted to put a TV, maybe a couch over here. You could do like another sitting area. Perfect if you have teenagers and you want to get rid of them for a couple hours. Flooring is the same. You've got the luxury vinyl up here, 8-inch baseboards, same scenario. Bathroom is a full bathroom. You have a shower. It's not a tiled shower. It's just a regular pan shower. So that's something that they didn't upgrade, but as far as the flooring, it's the same. Countertops are the same, and you've got the toilet in here. So You could use this as an additional bedroom if you wanted to make this a fourth bedroom. It does have a small Harry Potter door over here for storage, but it doesn't have a built-in or a walk-in closet. So this is primarily designed for the setup of a bonus room on the second level above the garage. They're called frogs, finished room over garage. So this is its primary purpose, but if you wanted to use this as a bedroom, this could be used as well. You just need to buy a separate closet. So this outdoor living area just extends this house, perfect for entertaining. It's really big, it's pretty high up. We are on a crawl space on this property, and it is built as the land actually elevates slightly, so it seems like you're on a second level outside, but you're not. I will pre-warn you that the landscaping hasn't been done. Remember, I said the house was 99% finished. There's a few things inside. They are going to need to lay sod on the back, or if they're going to put some seed down. So you're going to have to use your imagination, but go ahead and look past this because you can see this privacy right over here. Perfect. If you wanted to put a pool out here, it would be absolutely amazing. So you do have all this privacy. There's nothing behind you for miles. You've got this nice area. The only thing I would probably recommend, and I'm not sure why they didn't do this, but there's no ceiling fans up here. They've got the can recessed lighting, but no ceiling fans, which would have been a nice feature, especially in the warmer months. You do have the power outlet over here. So if you're like me, like hanging out on the porches, watching some sports events, college football, soccer, whatever your MO is, you could go ahead and do that right here. But of course, you could screen this area in if you wanted to make this a screened in, or even a three-season room in here. You have that options to do it, but just really nice and stunning. All right, so let's go ahead and check that front porch out, because you've got to have a front porch if you live in the South. So what a better way to end this video than on the front porch? Isn't that what you're moving to the South for? Look at the length of this porch. You can go ahead and hang out here, enjoy a nice cold iced tea, and just watch the world go by. But this property is listed at $650,000 for a semi-custom home. It is that 3-bedroom. You could make that second level a bedroom if you wanted to make it into a 4th bedroom, and it has got 3.5 bathrooms. So that is a really, really good price for the quality of this build, for the updates that you're going to see on this build, and the acreage, and just being 10 minutes from downtown Rock Hill. So I hope this video really opened your eyes to some other possibilities around here in the Charlotte metro area. Again, a lot of people reach out to me. They want new construction. Some of the times they just don't want to be in a subdivision. They don't use the amenities. They don't want that for whatever the situation is, but this is another option out there. So if this video brought value to you and you're thinking about making a move here to Charlotte, 9 days, 90 days, I would love to be your agent of choice. Go ahead, you know the drill. My contact information is right below. Go ahead and reach out to me today. I would love to help you and your family make a nice move right here to Charlotte, North Carolina. Until next video, I'll see you around town, and God bless.